OpenAI, Perplexity, and Gemini are charging anywhere from $20 to $200 a month for automated AI research agents. But what if I told you that you can build your own autonomous deep research agent, running 100% locally on your computer, with live web access, for completely free? First step, head over to Google and search for Node.js version 20. Make sure to grab the 64-bit LTS installer, fire it up, and run through the quick setup wizard on your computer. Once the installation is wrapped up, head down to your Windows search bar, type in PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Running it as admin is crucial here, so we don't hit any annoying permission blocks or execution errors when setting up n8n later. Once that blue administrator window pops up on your screen, you're officially ready for the next step. Now, let's make sure everything installs smoothly on your system, without any hidden background errors. In your PowerShell window, type Node V and hit Enter. You should instantly see your Node version number pop up, confirming that Node.js is officially active and ready to go. Right below that, type npm v and press Enter once again to verify that the Node Package Manager is fully functional and ready to handle our upcoming downloads. Once you see both of those version numbers printed clearly on your screen, you are officially ready for the main event. Type in the command npm install n8n and hit Enter. That G flag is super important here because it installs n8n globally across your entire operating system, allowing you to launch it from any directory or terminal window whenever you want. Give a minute or two to pull down all the required packages. Depending on your internet connection, you'll see the progress bar run across your terminal. As soon as the installation wraps up and returns you to a fresh command prompt, simply type in n8n and press Enter to fire up your local automation engine. When prompted on your keyboard, press the letter O, or manually open your default web browser and head straight to localhost 5678. This brings you directly into your brand new self-hosted n8n workspace dashboard. You are now completely set up to start building unlimited, high-powered autonomous AI research agents right on your computer, 100% free, with 0 monthly subscription fees. Let's start building this AI agent completely from scratch. Head over to the top right of your workspace and click on Create Workflow to launch a brand new n8n canvas. To keep everything organized, move your cursor to the top left corner, double-click the default title, and type in a custom name for your project, like Deep Research AI Agent. Once your workflow is named, click on Add First Step in the center of the canvas. This brings up the Node search panel on the right side of your screen. In the search bar, type in Chat and select the trigger node titled When Chat Message Received to place it onto your canvas. This serves as the official starting trigger for our workflow, letting us send messages and test our agent live as we build. Now, head back over to the search panel on the right. Type in AI Agent, and place the AI Agent node right onto your workspace canvas. As soon as you drop it in, you'll notice a bright red warning indicator flashing on the node. Don't worry, that's completely normal. That alert is simply n8n letting us know that our agent isn't active yet because it's missing its core attachments. To make it fully functional, we need to connect 3 dedicated subnodes to its bottom ports, an AI chat model to act as its brain, a memory node to keep track of the conversation context, and a custom tool so it can perform live web actions. Next, double-click on the AI agent node to open up its main configuration panel. Under the prompt section, click the drop-down menu and switch the selection from the default setting over to Define Below. Finally, navigate down to the prompt user message input box. This is where you can type in your agent's primary system query, prompt instructions, or map dynamic input parameters, so your agent knows exactly what research topic to process. Now, let's connect all the missing components step by step to turn this into a fully operational AI research assistant. First up is our language model, the actual brain of our agent. For this, we're going to use Grok, which offers lightning-fast inference speeds. Search for the Grok chat model node and drag it near the bottom left port of your AI agent node. Once you snap it into the model input, double-click it to open the settings. If you don't have a Grok API key yet, don't worry. It's 100% free. Open a new tab, go to Google, and search for Grok Console. Sign in with your Google account. Head over to the API Keys section on the left sidebar and click Create API Key. Copy that key, jump back into n8n, create a new credential inside the Grok node, paste your key in and click Save. Make sure to select a fast model like Llama 3 or Mixtral from the model drop-down menu. Next, our agent needs a short-term memory, so it remembers previous turns in a conversation. Search for n8n's built-in window buffer memory node. Drag it right below the AI agent and connect its output port directly into the memory input connector. What makes this node awesome is that it's completely self-contained within n8n. There are no API keys required, no external paid databases, and no extra configuration needed. It automatically stores the chat history locally in your session memory, so your agent can hold multi-turn conversations seamlessly. Now, let me show you how to give your agent superpowered web search capabilities using Gina AI. Search for the Gina node in the node panel and attach it directly to the tool port at the bottom of your AI agent node. To grab your free Gina API key, open your browser, search for Gina AI, and hit their official site. Click on Get Started for free. Sign in using your Google or GitHub account, and copy your personal API bearer token right from your dashboard. Switch back to your n8n workspace, double-click the Gina node, add a new credential, paste your key, and save it. With our model, memory, and tool all wired up, our agent is fully equipped. Let's click on the chat trigger at the bottom left of your canvas to open up the interactive chat testing window. Type in a prompt like, "Search the web for the latest updates on quantum computing breakthroughs." Hit send and watch the execution start. And look at that, an error popped up and our AI agent node turned bright red. Now, I want to pause right here because this is where a lot of beginners freeze up or get frustrated. Never panic when you see a red node in n8n. Errors are a completely normal and healthy part of building AI workflows. n8n is actually giving us exact diagnostics to fix the issue. Let's double-click on that red AI agent node or open up the execution view on the left panel to inspect what went wrong. Looking closely at the error output, it says invalid schema or missing parameter input. Notice how our Gina tool node needs a specific description, so the AI agent knows when and how to trigger a web search. Without a clear description, the LLM gets confused about how to format the search query. To fix this, click on the Gina node, go to the Settings panel, and under Tool Description, type. Use this tool to perform real-time web searches and extract fresh information from the internet. That simple tweak gives the Grok model explicit instructions on how to call the search tool. Now that we've updated our red node, let's hit Save Workflow at the top right, clear the previous chat execution, and test it again. Type the exact same prompt into the chat widget. Search the web for the latest updates on quantum computing breakthroughs, and press Enter. Look at the canvas now. The execution dots are flowing seamlessly. First, the chat trigger receives our prompt, passes it to the AI agent, which uses Grok to process the question. Grok realizes it needs real-time data, calls the Gina search tool, retrieves live web pages, brings that information back into memory, and synthesizes a comprehensive response. Within just a few seconds, boom, a detailed, beautifully formatted response appears right inside your chat window with live links and real-time facts, all built locally, running automatically, and using 100% free API keys. Now, let's fix that tool error once and for all by manually integrating a super reliable built-in option, the Wikipedia search tool. Clear out the failing tool node from your canvas, search for Wikipedia in the node panel, and drag the Wikipedia node right onto your workspace. Snap its output line directly into the tool port at the bottom of your AI agent node. What makes this tool so great is that it works natively right out of the box. No API keys or extra configuration needed. Now, click Save Workflow at the top right, and let's run a live test. Open the chat trigger panel at the bottom left and type in a query like, "Give me a summary of the history of artificial intelligence." Hit send and watch the canvas come to life. Look at that execution flow. Green status lights all the way across. Within seconds, our agent queries Wikipedia in real time, pulls back accurate historical data, and synthesizes a clean response right inside our chat window. You now have a self-hosted AI research assistant running locally on your machine, completely unlimited and 100% free forever. If this guide helped you set up your free AI agent, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to build custom AI workflows without paying for monthly subscriptions.